Good evening, panelists. And I have a question for Ansi Nagpal, ma'am. My question is, how can we overcome the cultural and social barriers that prevent people from seeking mental health support, particularly during climate crisis or like that?
That's such an interesting question. What's your name, you said?
Ma'am,
Tista. Tista, see, whatever solutions we are looking for, they cannot be, you know, implemented in isolation. All of us are thinking about one goal. And that goal is we have to somehow handle the mental health crisis, which has all of a sudden was there probably, but probably, the way that, now the way that internet has come and the social, networking is so pertinent now that it is there all over now. And somewhere when you hear about something, it does impact you, right? Earlier, it would happen to people, who were actually facing those situations. And the news would take, some time. Might be it used to be, I remember in our times, it used to be sometime at 8 o'clock, some news would be there. And that would be, a very concise. Now, day in and day out, it is about, whatever is going on in the climate, whatever is the problem in say in COVID, so much so that it starts impacting you, that sort of ecological grief or something that happens. So nothing can be done, either by us or by somebody else. It is all, everybody is us. We are all together in this. So we have to sit and we have to think how can, what should be the plan so that we can, run in such a way that it can reach, each and every person, the right sort of intervention, and the quickest way it can happen with the minimum sort of expenditure. So that's where I think that, yeah, it has to be something. The stigma is there, and what we are doing today, we are actually working towards it. So awareness is one thing, the drives, some workshops, bringing it to the universities, and to the students, making it like, a day-to-day sort of topic. So the more it becomes like something, which we have to face, it is not something which and some only some sort of, it is a public health problem and only certain bureaucrats or certain politicians or certain, straight eyes. It is all about us. We have to understand, Tista, this planet is somewhere, we have borrowed this planet from our future generations, and we want to hand it over at least in the same condition that we got it. So that is how I think, we should be working towards it.